Hey guys, welcome to Delve Stack, and this is how to recover TikTok account. So guys, if you ever wondered on how to recover your TikTok account, first I will delete my account to show you how it works. So for example, I have this account over here. So I'm just gonna simply go to the settings and I will just simply delete my account over here in order for you to show. Now guys, once you have deleted your account, in order for you to recover your account, once you have deleted it guys, you just have to simply log in back into your account. So from here, just simply go ahead and select log in on the left side of the screen. And now since I have logged in using my Google, I'm going to select continue with Google over here. And after that, just simply select your account, of course. And now once you are signed in into your account, as you can see, you will have an option over here, reactivate your TikTok account. So guys, from here to recover your account, you just have to simply select reactivate in order for you to proceed with this process. And guys, remember that you only have 30 days in order for you to recover your account. And once the 30 days have passed, sadly, you cannot recover your account and you have to create a new account in order for you to proceed with this process. And there you go. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, just simply go ahead and comment down below, and we will do our best to answer them all. And see you in the next video.